Here's how to buy a mountain property in Santa Cruz County. Don't get that in the mountains. Which brings me to the fourth item, which is general maintenance. Number one, with hillsides, where your property sits on the hillside and where the water is going to go. Especially if there is a history of flooding on the property, you're also going to want to keep in mind how close the trees are to the house and if they overhang the house at all. Also what that means to your gutters and to your roof in general. You know, there are some maintenance pieces that are important. So the fifth is to consider the sun exposure. I represent a lot of clients and their first comment is always, I want great sun. With the dynamics of living in the mountains and how the sun works and the different ways it can hit the property and what blocks it and this and that and the canopy of trees, it's kind of complicated. Try and consider what the sun is going to be like in all different times of the year. When I'm representing buyers, I tell them, oh my gosh, you are buying in the best time if they are buying in the winter because you see it with the worst amount of sun. And also, sometimes you'll see it in some of the worst weather.